Now we're going to put the straight colour on, and there again, it's just a matter of just patting it on, making sure again that you keep your air gun close by, because you probably will need it to blow out all the excess that is actually gets built up or trapped inside the plates. So what I'm doing here is pretty much just forcing the colour into all the cracks and crevices, especially like around these sort of areas. As you can see, I'm rubbing into them now, and it's a lot easier to push the colour in with a rag than it is to try and spray over a crack. So you can see as I rub the colour in there, the crack almost disappears. What you can do also is you can rub your cloth down inside the pleats like that, and before it dries, just run the air gun up in the valleys there, just to blow any excess colour out. So I'll do that in a second. So we get all the colour on there first. So it's amazing, you know, you get these cracked old leather seats, and once that colour's rubbed in there, it makes a big difference to how it looks. You see all these cracks here are virtually disappearing. The cracks itself won't go away, but when you rub the colour in, it disguises them down and makes them look a whole lot less noticeable. It's looking good. So what I do in a job like this that has quite a few cracks in it, I would colour rub it probably 2, maybe 3 times. That way I know for sure that I'm getting the colour into those cracks and splits, and just getting it all pushed in there nicely. So what I'll do now is grab my air gun. Just wipe off the excess.